secret to preserving your grandmother's voice wasn't just in an old photo album, but right here in your pocket. Yep, we're talking tech, more specifically AI. But don't worry, not the creepy kind, the good kind. The kind that helps you finally finish that tribute project you've been putting off since, I don't know, 2008, 1998, whatever. Hi, I'm Annie, your trusted tour guide through meaningful milestones. I'm here to not only help you preserve legacy, but to help you live experiences worth preserving. And today, I'm walking you through a simple, heart centered way to use artificial intelligence, AI, to help you tell better stories, preserve precious memories, and maybe even hit record on that legacy project you've been dreaming about. And if you're new to AI, or maybe didn't even know you could use ChatGPT on your phone, surprise, you can. It's available as an app, it's a website, and it can be your brainstorming buddy 24/7. Whether you're cooking dinner, walking the dog, or having a middle of the night idea, it's there, almost always. So last week we kicked off the official countdown to America's 250th birthday. Legacy isn't about being famous, it's about being remembered for the right things. So what does that look like for you? What do you want remembered? A family cookbook? A video tribute? A memory box for your grandkids? It all starts with one story, one moment, one action. And here's where technology can help. Not replace you, but help you. So AI can be a friend, but it can't be you. Let's get that straight. AI can be a friend to your creativity, but it can't be you. It can help you find the right words when yours are stuck, organize memories into a beautiful tribute, brainstorm ideas when you're too tired to be brilliant. But AI doesn't know your Nana's crazy laugh. It didn't sit next to your dad on that road trip. It doesn't know what the kitchen smelled like on Christmas morning. That's your story. Only you can tell it. Your AI friend just helps you embellish in a good way. It is important to remember that ChatGPT and tools like it aren't perfect. They can get things wrong, make things up, or miss the mark entirely. That's referred to as a hallucination, and it most definitely happens. Always double check factual information, especially if you're creating something that matters deeply to your family or your community. The upside, AI doesn't ghost you, cancel plans, or take weekends off. It's available 24/7. So when inspiration strikes at midnight or during a school pickup, your creative co-pilot is ready to go. You can use ChatGPT online or install it on your phone and literally carry your legacy assistant in your pocket. Want to ask what ingredients go in your grandmother's pie and draft a birthday tribute on the same walk? Go for it. And for those of you who want to go deeper, I've got two additional websites that I love. One, futurepedia.io. This is a massive, well-organized database of AI tools across every use case imaginable. Then there's Perplexity AI. Think of it as a smart search engine with sources. One of the ways I personally love to use Perplexity is for creating product feature comparison tables. It helps line things up clearly and lets you compare apples to apples basis. It's great for research and digging into details that need accuracy. This would be a sample prompt that you could type into Perplexity. Compare the features, pricing, and user reviews of Notion AI, ChatGPT Plus, and Jasper AI in table format. Highlight strengths, weaknesses, and best use cases for each. And you would get pretty cool, right? All right. Before we dive into practical uses, let me give you a quick sense of who owns these tools. And I realize some of you may know all this, but some don't. ChatGPT is owned by OpenAI, a company originally founded as a nonprofit that has since shifted into a more commercial structure with major investors, which include Microsoft. While OpenAI leads in generative text AI, there are many other platforms emerging with different approaches. Some are proprietary, like ChatGPT, and others are open source, meaning the code is publicly available and can be modified or built upon by anyone. Open source tools can be powerful and transparent, but they also require more technical know-how. Proprietary tools often feel easier, but can limit how much you control or understand under the hood. And privacy, it matters. Always read the terms of service before uploading sensitive data. AI tools aren't human, but the companies behind them are, and they're all collecting data in various ways. Be smart about what you share, especially with stories that are personal or involve your loved ones. Think of AI like a helpful assistant. It sharpens pencils, lays out paper, and reminds you to take breaks. But you're still the author. Let me show you a simple example. So I typed into ChatGPT, help me write a short tribute to my Nana who made the best lasagna and always wore bright red lipstick. Boom! It gave me a starting point. I edited it and added my voice, and what came out was ours. Not a replacement, a collaboration. Need a few helpful prompts? Stay tuned to the end. I've got a freebie coming your way. And just to give you a little historical context, today's AI boom really took off in late 2022 when ChatGPT launched publicly. That moment changed how millions of people interact with technology. Since then, tools have exploded, from AI image generators to video editing assistants and full content planners. But the heart of it is still the same. AI should be used to assist, not replace. All right, here's where I bring out my inner project manager. If your legacy project feels overwhelming, try this quick framework to break it down. Number 1, what's your goal? What do you want to make? A video, a cookbook, a podcast? How big is it? What's the scope? How big or small will it be? What's your timeline? Can you work on it once a week, once a month, once a year? So there's all kinds of tools. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva for design, our recipe tree to store recipes, and so on. Remember, perfection isn't the goal here. Progress is. Don't stop. So I've got some bonus thoughts for you and some next steps before we wrap it up. If you're ready to go deeper into AI, especially for your business or personal brand, I highly recommend a group called AI for Business. I personally am a pro member and have bought their programs. I'm an affiliate because I believe in their human-first approach. They offer a powerful online course, an exciting live event experience, and you can use the tools, learn the language, and at the same time, stay human. They are great people. Want a fun way to get started with all this? I've put together a freebie just for you. 25 fill-in-the-blank legacy prompts. These are designed to work beautifully with ChatGPT, and they help you get your stories flowing without needing to be a writer or a tech whiz. You can download this list of prompts using the link in the description below. Want to start your own storytelling journey? You can download the free USA 250 Legacy Launchpad at the same at the same address. Next week, we'll keep walking. This time, into the world of simple visual storytelling. I'll show you how I'm using beginner-friendly design tools, yes, including Canva, to create things like memory cards, tribute videos, and shareable keepsakes. And don't worry, I'm still learning too, every single day. Anyone on this computer tells you they're not learning, stay away from them. So if you've ever opened Canva and immediately closed the tab, I've been there. We'll take it step by step, and I'll share a few tricks I've picked up to make legacy projects look beautiful without stress. Make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss it. All right. So give me a comment below. What's one memory you'd love help telling? We're in this together. I'll be right here next Wednesday to walk with you. So please, keep walking toward what matters.